Hello everyone, my name is Kousalya. Today I am going to present my hospital management dashboard developed using Power BI. For this project, I used a hospital management dataset and performed data cleaning and transformation using Power Query. First page is Overview Dashboard. This is the home page of the dashboard. It provides a quick summary of important hospital insights such as highest appointment doctor, top insurance provider, highest revenue generating branches, the back arrow icon available on other pages redirects users back to this home page. This page provides an overall view of hospital performance. This page focuses on revenue and billing performance. This page focuses on patient-related insights. Page navigator buttons are used to switch between dashboard pages. The back arrow button is available on all report pages. Clicking the back arrow automatically returns the user to the home page. This project demonstrates my skills in Power BI, Power Query, data modeling, DAX, data visualization, dashboard designs. Thank you.